I don't know their name. I hope I releasing on 31st of July on Foxstar TV. I hope soon I will. Hello fellas, today we are going to react to one of the songs from July. We did the title track and this time it is Me Intiki Mundu. It has English subtitles, so I'll be able to understand what he's actually saying. So that's a great thing. It was recommended to me by Ubdella Ubdella. I hope I'm saying your name correctly. I'm really sorry if I'm not. I'll start the video, but before that I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel. Also the bell icon so you never miss any updates from me. Also links to the Instagram and Twitter are in the description below. If you want to comment on something, suggest me something, give me any feedback, I would love to hear it from you guys. So without further ado, let's start.
మీ ఇంటికి ముందో గేటు అది దూకాలంటే డౌటు మీ రోడ్లో ఎలగదు లైటు నాకు అసలే తెలియని చోటు ఆ గేటుకి ముందో డాగు అది ఆగు దాని నోట్లో ఎన్నో పళ్ళు.
Nice. This is from Cartoon Network, right?
మీ ఇంటికి ముందో బెక్కర్ ఆడొంటికి చిల్లుల నిక్కర్ ఆడి గంటికి నేను చోకర్ లాగా కనిపిస్తున్నారే నువ్వు మేల్కొని బాల్కనీ.
Yeah, it's Well, this was one with the English subtitles, so that's the reason I was able to understand what's happening over here. As I always say that he has all the steps innovative and the way he does every song, okay, whether it is just him dancing with all the crowd or just solo dance which he does, or it is with a female character or with the female actress or with plus all the dances that he uses proper dance steps. It's not like he like it just a little bit changes, minor changes here and then, it just like same moves and steps again and again, and he gets famous. No, he literally like practices all the steps, and each and every frame he uses proper steps to make the song what it is right now. And that's the reason it's like that's the reason why Allu Arjun is Allu Arjun. Okay, he's actually the stylish star of Telugu industry, or I guess the stylish star of whole of India, because I have never seen someone with so much style and so much attention that you love to see him again and again. Whether if you have already seen that, but you want to watch him again, because he throws that of personality at your face that you want to watch it again. It's absolutely superb. This is one of the things which it is very, very, very old, because it came out in 2012. At that point of time, I was actually graduating from my college. So yeah. So I'm really really happy, because July is one of the movies which is actually a Dangerous Khiladi in Hindi dub, and it is one of my favorite movies of all time, because the way the storyline goes, Sonu Sood, Allu Arjun, Ilyana D'Cruz, all the people have played their part properly. It's absolutely superb to see like this songs were there in that movie, but it was not being showcased in the Hindi version, because no one changes the lyrics of Telugu to Hindi, because it's first of all it is not that easy, and it does not go with the music sometimes, and it's better to just cut and dub all the dialogues of specific people and just make the movie in the Hindi version. So this was it. This was the reaction. I hope you liked it. Also, I would like to request you one thing. A lot of comments come on my channel where they say that you're not reacting to my content. I have told you from this long and this and that. See, it is not what I'm not trying to like avoid you or something like that. I don't have any favorite for people to like react on it. It is actually like I have many stuff to react upon, okay, and the thing is that when I react to it, I do all the hard work which is needed for that particular video to be uploaded on YouTube. But what happens is it goes the copyright claim, and I have to take it out because it gets blocked by it, or like copyright claims on it, and that's the reason I have to just cut out that specific thing. So I'd like to request you that please, it's not like I'm like favoring someone or partially just listening to someone. It's like it's many things which is going back while making the videos, and it's not like I have to like just make the video and just react. I go according to timetable. So I just want to tell you that there is a proper timetable which is needed to be followed, which I have made myself, and I'm trying to stick to it so that people would know what kind of interest they have in reacting to my channel, and they would come at that day, that point of time, so to come to my channel, and they will see that what all content will come. Is it good for them to react on that particular day? For example, Mondays and Thursdays is song reaction, Tuesdays and Fridays is comedy routine reaction, and on Wednesday I have scene reaction. That might be a proper dialogue conversation scene, or fight scene, or any famous scene which needed to be reacted upon. And Saturday, Sunday is little bit of flexible. It might be a scene reaction, or might be one of my own contents or something like that. And Sundays it might be cooking if I'm interested, or I made something and I just like give it up to you guys. So this is it. This was the reaction. I hope you liked it, and please do understand what I have told you. And I would also request you to please subscribe my channel, also the bell icon, so you'll never miss any updates from me. Also links to the Instagram and Twitter are description below. If you want to comment on something, suggest me something, give me any feedback, I would love to hear it from you guys. Also give a big thumbs up to this video, so I know that you love my reaction, and also I would get motivation and inspiration to do more reactions for you guys. So until next reaction, next video, next review, I will request you to stay connected.